Hi guys, it's Tony. Today we are going to create this interactive pricing section in Framer without any code, and you can use this in your websites to highlight your prices for different subscriptions. Also, as usual, you can for free remix this file easily by following the link in the description. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, I have already set up this section in here for the pricing. It's basically done by slightly modifying the Framer's own pricing section. But as you can see, it comes from the header, toggle, and the container. And what we want to do is, like, when the user presses from the toggle, the containers changes their prices. So what we want to do first is we want to go into the containers and go into the card. And basically what we want to do is, like, when the user presses from the toggle, the new prices slide in from the top. So for this price section, and where we have the amount visible, let's press from the value and let's say add frame. This basically frames the value inside of it. And let's set the width to be fill. And now we can actually just copy this pricing section, remove the old one, and just place it there. Do the same thing for this one, and voila, here we go. And now you can see that the value is actually absolute inside of it. It means that you can basically move it easily around and inside the frame. And now what we want to do is, let's select the whole pricing section. Let's create a component. Yeah, we can call it pricing. And now we have a component in place. And in the component, let's create a new, actually before that, let's duplicate this value. Let's move it like 12 points higher. Again in here, 12 points higher. And the same thing in here. So now we basically have like one value in here and one value above. And what we can do now is, like, actually let's go to set overflow to be visible so we can see the new price. And as you can say, like we said, like get 50% off with the yearly plan. So this goes to like $250. Then let's make it hidden. Oh, let's say that the normal price for professional plan is like $1,000 a month. Again, let's set overflow to be visible. 500 then is correct one value here. Let's close that again, make it hidden. And the business plan could be something like, well, for the purposes of this thing, let's put it like $2,000. Again, visible, and let's change the yearly plan to be 1,000. So basically, the value above is a yearly value, and the value below is a monthly value. But you basically pay each of these per month. So let's set that again to hidden. And now basically only thing we have to do is, like, create a new variant. You can call it variant 2. And inside in here, let's first move this toggle. So now you can see that it's positioned to be pinned to the left corner. We can remove that, go into like pin it to the right corner and just move it there. And also let's select all of these and let's just move the new value in. Do the same thing in here, move the new value in like this. And third one, oops. And now what we want to do is, like, select the toggle, drag the interaction, connect it to like the second variant. Tab is good. Let's go again here to the toggle. Let's go to the interaction panel in here. Let's change the, from variant 2, we want to go back to the variant 1. And now when we go to the preview, this thing should be basically working. And now, as you can see, it was like pretty easy thing to do. Like, if you want to highlight some changes like more, you can just go in here and, like, for example, like even, sorry about that, even change the colors of the cards. So you can achieve like some nice effects here. here, and then let's turn that to red. And now if we go to the actual preview, you can see that it like cards changes colors and values, and you have this nice interactive pricing section in place. And we can actually make this super easily responsive as well for the mobile. So let's create a phone breakpoint. You can see it doesn't look good now, but let's go back to our component and let's create a new variant. Let's call this variant mobile, for example, and let's resize that to match the size of our breakpoint, which was like 390. And now let's just select the container having the cards in it, and let's just change the direction from going horizontal to vertical. And as you can see, it already looks far better. Let's just do a few minor changes here and there. Let's modify the paddings a bit like this. And then what we want to do now is we want to create also like mobile. Let's actually do it like mobile yearly. And this is like mobile monthly. And now we just want to, if you tap from here, you go into like mobile yearly. If you tap from here, you go to mobile monthly. And now if we go back to our phone breakpoint, you can go to like variants menu and just select mobile monthly in here. And if we preview this, you can see that, oh, something's actually wrong. Let's see. What did we do in here? Tap. Ah, yeah, that's true. We have to do the same things in here again. So basically pin it to right and set it to not like this. And then let's just move each of these super quickly. And yeah, here if we preview it again, you can see that we have a working thing. But that was all this time. I hope that you liked the video, and if you haven't yet, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I hope that I see you in the next videos. Thanks a lot and see you.